Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and just a quick update to the situation of bug fixes in Windows 10. A week ago, there was a update that fixed a few bugs in Windows 10, and Thursday, September the 20th, surprise, another update that brings cumulative updates to Windows 10. And this one has a lot of bug fixes. So if you have had some issues with April 2018 update, maybe this actually will fix some of the issues you might have had. So basically, two versions of Windows 10 have a cumulative update. It's 17.134.319, the version number you should be at now. The next one is 16.299.697, that's for the fall careers update. And lots and lots of bug fixes in here, so check it out. You might have had it already installed, but in case you didn't, check it out. The update is KB4458469 on 1803 or April 2018 update. If you're on the fall careers updates, you have KB4457136. And this fixes a lot of bugs. There's no security stuff in here, so no worries about security if you don't install it right away. But if you've had some issues in Windows 10, the list of bug fixes is very long, so it might actually work and fix something that you've had as an issue within the operating system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.